Hello again, guys. Yep, I'm wearing my Super Clean because I'm doing another Super Clean review. Today we are outside and I have a patio swing, and on the Super Clean website I did do some research. I'm looking for a board so I can set my phone down. I did do some research and they have a very informational website. It tells you how to dilute the product for whatever it is you want to clean, whether it's your patio swing, swimming pool, whatever. They have stuff on there I never even dreamed I could clean with this product, but I can, and I'm going to. So anyway, let me show you my patio swing, and it is in really rough shape. I don't know how clean this is going to be. I did dilute my product down to 8 parts water, 1 part Super Clean, and I'm going to try that. I may need to go a little stronger, I don't know, but we'll give it a try. So let me turn this around, show you my rooster thinks he needs to be in here. Show you my swing and we'll get started. Okay, here is my swing. As you can see from the weather, it is really bad. I need to replace it, but I'm going to try to clean it and then spray it with some water sealant and see how much longer it holds up. I mean, I can still swing in it. It's still holding me, so it ain't completely broke yet, so why fix it? Anyway, let me get my Super Clean and spray her down, and we'll get started and go from there. Alright, I had a empty Windex bottle, so I marked it Super Clean, and like I said, I used 8 water, 1 Super Clean. So let's spray this down. I have a scrub brush. I'm going to scrub it, and then I'll get the water hose and rinse it off. Okay guys, as you can see, I did saturate it pretty good because it is pretty nasty. So now I'm going to use the scrub brush and scrub it, and then I'm going to let it set for, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes because it is pretty bad. And then we'll get the water hose and see if it made a difference. I'm just using a scrub brush like this. Okay, I'm going to let that set, and while that's setting, I'm going to go get the water hose. So I'm going to pause you, and I'll be back in just a little bit. Okay guys, it's been a little while. I got my water hose, so let's spray it and see what it does. Okay, well, it's definitely better than it was. I think I'm going to spray it again and scrub it again and let it set again, and then rinse it off one more time. But for as bad as the seat was to begin with, yeah, it did a pretty good job, but I'm going to see if I can get it a little bit better. So let's spray it again, and like I said, scrub it again, and then we'll wait. So let's let it set for a few minutes, and then I'll spray it down again and see how it does the second round. Okay, I went in the house to get a cigarette, and I was like, I'm going to go ahead and spray it with the super foam. Dissolves grease super easy, super fast. I went ahead and sprayed the top of it, so I just wanted to let you know what I did, because I'm being honest about what I'm doing. So I'm going to let that set for a minute, and then we'll rinse it. Okay, well, it hasn't been setting as long as I want it to set, but it's raining on me. My phone's waterproof, so I'm not really too worried about it. But if I get a downpour, I'm gonna have to go in. I guess I'll dry. We'll just go ahead and spray it and see what happens. Quite a bit of difference. It is a lot lighter now. I'm going to go ahead and remove the top of the tarp and let the rain fall on it. Ain't gonna hurt it at all. And then, like I said, after it dries, I'll spray it with some water, you know, the stuff you put on tents. Okay, there we go, guys. I couldn't really do anything to the bottom seat because the material is so bad that when I tried to scrub it, it just tore more. So there's not too much I can do with that. But I removed the tarp. I'm going to let the rain, like I said, finish rinsing it, and then I'll come back out probably tomorrow, and hopefully the sun will be out enough that it dries, and then I'll put my tarp back on and it'll be done. But that is the super clean used on a very bad shape patio swing. As you can see, the bottom seat compared to the top, I would say it did a pretty good job. I'll come back out next time and do the bottom flap. But yeah, that tarp there, I used bungee cords and I put it on there. I should have videoed that when I did it, but I didn't. I didn't think about it. But anyway, I'm going to get in the house, get out of the rain. I guess I better go turn the water off. But that's my second review on the Super Clean. And like I said, for as bad a shape as that swing is, it did a pretty good job. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. You never know what I'm going to clean next. All right, till then, take care, be safe, God bless, bye.